I have went to the dark side beside the Pro Bracket radial. I mean, these have only got a few passes on them, probably 5 or 6 passes, 10 passes. Be for sale really quickly if it doesn't work out for me, if it scares me to death. What's up, guys? Welcome to the Turbo John YouTube channel. We're down here today. Eric Malone's The Fastest Cars in the Dirty South. They've got a great TV show, so they're out here today. We got a $300 buy-in, and we are racing for $10,000 if 32 cars show up. We put Hoosiers on mine. I went to the dark side. I've got slicks on it, and it's going to be interesting. I'm a little nervous. If you can see, I'm shaking. That's a little exaggerated, but I am really nervous. I haven't been on slicks in a very long time. So let's check it out. Hopefully we'll have a good time. Brian's coming up here right now. He's fixing to make a pass. He is ready to roll. So we're going to look at his, and then we're going to go slide a tune up in mine and see what happens. All right, so we got a tune-up in it that is pretty decent. We got full travel on the front. We're gonna put like 12, 13 pounds of air in the tires. That may be a little low, but these tires are pretty stiff and they're brand new, so we're gonna get a good burnout, so they're gonna come up. They'll probably be up to 13 when we get done. You see, we got Brian out here, 2018 half W's on his. So his is gonna be a rocket, hopefully, as well. So let's go make some passes and see what happens. Suspension-wise in the back, I left it, the bars alone, I did raise it up some. You see it's a little higher now. And we are going to, the shocks are on like 10 and 10. So it's like 50-50 essentially. So it is not super, super tight. So we'll see what happens. I'll put the draggy in there and see if we can get a good 10. Okay, here we go. We are going to make our first shakedown. Drop the air pressure to 12. All those little changes I told you a minute ago. We're going to be in the right lane. There's no cars with us. So let's see what happens. Okay, so that pass didn't go bad. It was not bad at all. It went down through there. The slicks were moving around a little bit, but they were not terrible. So it was drivable. They initially dead hooked, and then they had that little wheel speed, and it pretty much kept the wheel speed most of the track, but it went through there pretty decent. It was, the draggy said it was pretty fast. I mean, it wasn't a rocket ship by no means, but on full no prep, it was not bad. We're pushing up there now. We're gonna make another shakedown, and then we got first round after this shakedown. So I did turn it up. I put 5 pounds of dome pressure on the gate, down track at the same point. So we'll see what happens. Lots of good cars.
In this shakedown run, or you want to run? We'll see what we get on this first
Yeah, we are a first round draw. Yeah, right. We are, so we're running. I'm running this truck. Okay. Yeah, I'm up here.
Okay.
Yeah,
These two run each other. Yeah, we got that one and that one.
Whoever's got the truck now.
What are they doing?
What's up?
We got 7 cars in the small tire. It's pretty good fast cars. This is a shakedown. We're going to shake them down side by side though, so they're not going to be just singles, but it's not going to be against a person we're going to race, which this is awesome because I'm going to be racing. I'm going to be racing the nerd here, so this will be a good test to see how my car spare lines up. I love this car. This car is freaking awesome.
Here, buddy.
Yeah.
Here we go, second shakedown. We got the nerd. This ought to be a fun shakedown. Let's see what happens. Okay, so we made it through the shakedown. It went through pretty decent. It wasn't bad. It did slow down a little bit. It seemed like it had a little bit more wheel speed. I could kind of feel it when it gripped up down there. All right, guys. Well, that's going to wrap up the video for today. We made it down to Rockingham. We got 2 shakedown passes. Car is running fantastic. I was really nervous about how the tires were going to behave, but all in all, they're working great. They're moving around a little bit, but I'm making small adjustments on the steering wheel, and it seems to be going okay. I mean, it's not feeling out of control. All these shakedowns went very good. Very happy with the car. Tomorrow's video will be part 2 of this one. It will be the race itself, so make sure y'all join in for that one. Comment, like, and subscribe. Go to turbojohnracing.com to pick you up some t-shirts. Thanks. We'll see y'all tomorrow.